Hey everyone, I'm going to be showing you how to center a div vertically, horizontally, and in the center of your page. Alright, make sure you have a HTML page set up here, and then also link your CSS style sheet that you'll be using. Then also make sure you have a div made. I just called mine box. Moving on to CSS here, so I made our div just a box here, 100 by 100 red box. Moving on to vertical center, you're going to see what this looks like on the side of your screen right now. Your position will be absolute, margin 0, top 15%, and transform translate y minus 50%, and then that will center your div vertically. Moving on to horizontal center, again we'll be using position absolute, your left and right be 0, your margin left and right will be set on auto. As you will see, it has centered our div horizontally. Lastly, if you're looking to center it right in the middle of your page, make sure your position is set to absolute, your top, bottom, left, and right is set to 0, and your margin is set to auto. If this video helped you out at all, please like and subscribe, and if you have any other questions, throw them in the comments below. Thank you for watching.